Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the phone ready. Charge it, wipe the sensor or camera so scans aren't blocked, and make sure you have a secure screen lock set. Once done, open Settings and tap Biometrics and Security. This is the hub that links hardware to authentication. Make sure your Android and Samsung firmware are updated for compatibility. Now select the biometric method you want to use, fingerprint, face, or iris, and proceed. This next step begins the enrollment process. You'll follow the on-screen prompts carefully. For fingerprint, place different parts of the finger across the sensor, and for face, move your head slowly so the camera sees varied angles. This diversity builds a robust profile and reduces false rejects. Make sure to include edges and slight rotations and retry if a scan fails. Also add a fallback lock like PIN or password. Samsung requires it, and enable any improve accuracy or additional scan. Once enrollment completes, enable biometric unlock for the lock screen and for apps such as Samsung Pass and banking apps. This ties the credential to specific services. Test unlocking immediately. If it fails intermittently, restart the phone and test again. If problems persist, re-register the biometric or remove a case or screen protector that may block the sensor. One key troubleshooting tip: delete the existing record and enroll again using different angles and lighting. This fixes most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.